I guarantee, number one, you're not ready for this. Number two, you have no idea. Okay, so on the internet, there's this trend. It's called the Great Awakening. Everybody's becoming aware of what Israel has been doing to the world. And again, I'm not suicidal. This isn't anti-Semitism. This isn't hatred. This is info. You gotta understand, a lot of us, we've been looking at Illuminati videos on YouTube back to back, Illuminati confirmed, getting excited, but we never get the truth. So we're not truly satisfied. But now the truth is coming out. I'm gonna show you something that you did not expect. Are you ready? You guys, I'm being very serious. Watch this. Did you catch it? I'm gonna run it back. You guys, you can't make this up. I found this clip on accident today. Man, the spirit just moved me to look up a Chicken Little clip. You know how it was a recommended thing on YouTube? You know how they be recommending stuff? It's all random. I was like, why not? You know, you feel me? You're on that why not mode. Damn, this why not mode came through, y'all. You can't make this stuff up. Yo, right in our faces, you guys. I'm not a hater, man. This is the truth. We gotta push this, man. Yo. So yeah, man. I'm happy to share this with you. Y'all know, for those of you that don't know, this is Project Bluebeam. It's that crazy theory that the elites are serious about pushing. All right, everyone, that's it. I really hope you enjoyed that. I'm gonna be posting stuff like this, man. God damn it, bro, this is exhilarating. I'm fascinated with this type of stuff, man. I'm happy to share it with you again. And lastly, I want you to look up Dancing Israelis for the sake of truth. And finally, I recommend to not hate on the Jewish people. Like, just don't hate on them. This is about the truth. Just push it. You ain't gotta show hatred to no one. All right, keep the peace. Now, this is the craziest part. While I was editing this shit, you're not gonna believe what I found. Nah, I wasn't even ready for this. We're in this together. You ready? Watch. Are you serious? I'm gonna show you. Look, I want you to know that I had something planned out, prepared for you. And I discovered this wow editing. That's what makes this shit crazy. Brace your fucking self for this. Look, real talk. Real talk. Let's just keep it real. Tell it like it is. Let's be sincere. Why the hell, knowing Project Bluebeam is out there, when the quote-unquote UFOs, the spaceships, when they pull up, why do they pull up with Israeli music? You can't make this stuff up, you guys. That's not normal music. If you can tell. After that shit fades, you go back to the normal cinematic music. Why the fuck would you pull up with spaceships and Israeli music and put the fucking Stars of David on them things?